Looking to style your website faster and easier? Let's talk about a game changer for developers, Tailwind CSS. Hey, it's from WebWave Creations, where we simplify web development for you. Tailwind CSS is a utility-first CSS framework that allows you to build custom designs directly in your HTML. Instead of writing long custom CSS or tweaking pre-made styles, you use small, reusable utility classes like p4 for padding or bg-blue-500 for background color. It's highly customizable and helps you quickly design responsive, modern websites. No more jumping between your CSS and HTML, everything's in one place, keeping things efficient and clean. Plus, it works perfectly with any JavaScript framework.